Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to Buy Smart, your go-to channel for making smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of drones. In the left corner, weighing in at 248 grams, it's the Bwine F7 GPS upgraded drone, aka the Flyweight Wonder. And in the right corner, at a featherweight 249 grams, we have the DJI Mini 2 SE drone, aka the Giga Lightweight. Let's see which one will make you the king of the skies. Alright, let's start with the price tag. The Bwine F7 comes in at $258, while the DJI Mini 2 SE is a tad pricier at $279. So if you're looking to save a few bucks, the Bwine might be your go-to. But remember folks, sometimes you get what you pay for. According to reviews, many find the Bwine F7 to offer great value for its price, making it an attractive budget option. On the other hand, the DJI Mini 2 SE, despite being slightly more expensive, is praised for its quality and advanced features, making it worth the extra investment. Next up, camera quality. The Bwine F7 boasts a 4K UHD camera with an adjustable 90 degrees angle. It's like having a mini Hollywood studio in your backpack. The real-time image transmission is a crispy 2.7K. However, some reviewers noted that the camera can be shaky due to the lack of a gimbal. On the other hand, the DJI Mini 2 SE features a smooth gimbal and offers high-quality 4K pictures and 2.7K video. Reviewers rave about its camera stability and quality, making it ideal for capturing stunning aerial shots. Now, let's talk about flight time. The Bwine F7 offers up to 60 minutes with its 2 batteries, which is enough time to film your entire life story, or at least a decent TikTok. Reviewers appreciate the decent battery life, although some noted issues with limited range and communication glitches. Meanwhile, the DJI Mini 2 SE gives you a whopping 31 minutes per battery, with the combo offering up to 93 minutes. Reviewers are impressed with its long battery life and find it sufficient for extended flying sessions. Both drones come with GPS and return-to-home functions. The Bwine F7 has a one-key return, low battery return, and even a lost connection return. It's like having a drone with a built-in homing pigeon. Reviewers find these GPS features reliable and easy to use. The DJI Mini 2 SE also has a return-to-home function, making sure your drone doesn't end up in your neighbor's backyard barbecue. Reviewers appreciate its intuitive and stable GPS system, making it beginner-friendly. Intelligent functions, anyone? The Bwine F7 has GPS and optical flow modes, preset waypoints, orbiting, and even a follow me mode. It's like having a personal paparazzi. Reviewers love its versatile, intelligent features, though some mention the lack of a gimbal as a downside. The DJI Mini 2 SE offers easy-to-use shooting templates via the DJI Fly app, making you look like a pro with just a few taps. Reviewers especially praise its user-friendly app, despite some challenges for Android users. And finally, wind resistance. The DJI Mini 2 SE can handle winds up to 38 kilometers per hour, meaning it won't chicken out in a light breeze. Reviewers consistently highlight its stability in windy conditions. The Bwine F7 doesn't specify its wind resistance, and some reviewers noted it struggles in high wind, making it more of a fair-weather flyer. Overall, the Bwine F7 GPS upgraded drone is praised for its affordability and versatile features, making it a great entry-level option. However, it has some limitations in camera stability and wind resistance. The DJI Mini 2 SE drone is lauded for its high quality, advanced features, and stability. making it worth the higher price for those seeking a more premium experience. So there you have it, folks. The Bwine F7 GPS upgraded drone and the DJI Mini 2 SE drone. Both have their strengths and quirks. If you're on a budget and love a good 4K camera, the Bwine F7 is your new best friend. But if you want longer flight times and better wind resistance, the DJI Mini 2 SE might be worth the extra cash. Either way, you'll be flying high. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Fly smart, and we'll see you in the next video.